I am Sonam Dubey, Assistant Professor in SIRT Bhopal. Now, today I have discussed about the computer networking. Now, what is computer network? A computer network is a group of computers and devices that uses a set of communication protocols. Here the communication protocol means a set of rules that govern the data communication. That means जब भी हम मल्टीपल कंप्यूटर्स या ग्रुप ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स या डिवाइसेस को आपस में इंटरकनेक्ट करते हैं जिससे वह इजीली अपने डेटाबेस रिसोर्सेज एंड डिवाइसेस को आपस में शेयर कर सकें, वहाँ हम कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क को यूज़ करते हैं. Now, the nodes of a computer network may include personal computers, server, networking hardware, and other specialized and general purpose hosts. Here, the term node is used. The node means any computer which can participate in communication. That means some example of nodes like computer, server, networking hardware. Networking hardware means like router, printer, scanner. These are some kinds of hardware devices. So these are work as a node. Now the interconnection between nodes are formed from a broad spectrum of telecommunication network technologies based on physical, wire, optical and wireless technology. When we study about the computer network, when two devices are connected to each other, they are connected through either the wireless connection, either wired connection. Yes. Now, a communication protocol is a set of rules for exchanging information over a network. When we are using a protocol is a very important aspect of the computer network because it defines some kinds of rules that are used for exchanging the information. Now, this is the diagram of network. Here we can see here the multiple devices like some devices are wired and some devices are wireless. Like here we can see a laptop, mobile phone, PCs and router, printer, scanner, servers and switches. Here we can see we are using 2 or 3 internetworking devices like router, switches. The various tasks of the router and switches to connect something that may happen for the communication. Now here we can see when the multiple devices like laptop, tablet and scanner are connected to the switch and these are connected to the firewall to the internet. That means a switch and router perform the various tasks like allow the communication very authentication manner. Now, the advantages and uses of network. When we are talking about a network, there are multiple uses of computer networking. The first one is simultaneous access. There are moments in any business when several workers may need to use the same data at the same time. Simultaneous access means suppose there are multiple persons and they want to access simultaneously to the same resources. For the example printer. सपोज़ हमारे पास बहुत सारे पर्सन हैं जो सेम टाइम पे एक ही प्रिंटर को एंड स्कैनर को आपस में यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो वो इजीली कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का यूज़ करके अलाउ कर सकते हैं. नाउ द शेयर्ड पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस. द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग परफॉर्म द वेरियस टाइप्स लाइक शेयरिंग रिसोर्सेज लाइक हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. For example, hardware devices like printer and scanner and network adapter, and the software devices like various types of softwares like network operating system. These are installed in the server and that allows the communication between the server and receiver, between the server and sender. Now the third one is personal communication. Nowadays video conferencing is a general idea that are mostly used for communication. In this video conferencing, 2 or more people are connected to each other. They can talk to each other, they can see to each other and they can share their thoughts to each other. And the next one is voice over internet protocol. It is also said to be a voice over IP because the voice over IP transmits the sound of voice over a computer network. In this type thing, we can just sending the signals through the computer network to the other network, and that allows a communication. Now, the networking devices and nodes. Here we can see there are multiple networking devices which can be used for allow the communication. The first one is NIC card. The NIC card is just stand for network interface card. The NIC card basically used to connect host device to the network media, and it allows for the to access the internet through these devices. NIC is a printed circuit board that fits into the expansion slot of a bus on a computer motherboard. हम जब भी अपने कंप्यूटर्स को CPU को ओपन करते हैं वहाँ पे एक NIC चिप लगी हुई होती है. इस चिप में एक प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड होता है जहाँ पे हमारे सिस्टम का IP एड्रेस नोटेड डाउन होता है. It can also be a peripheral devices. NIC are sometimes called network adapter. NIC को network adapter भी कहा जाता है. Each NIC is identified by a unique code called a media access control. Whenever we talk about the OSI layer, the OSI second basic layer, data link layer, there is two types of data link layer. That is MAC and LSC, that is logical link control and media access control. Now the second one is repeater. Repeater is also an inter-networking devices. In this device we can regenerate a signal. Repeaters are generally used for to retransmission of distorted signal because of loss. Suppose there are an intelligent decision concerning forwarding packets. Here we can use the repeaters. Now the third one is hubs. Here we can see there are two types of hubs, that is 10 base T hub and 100 base T hub. These two hubs are used to allow the communication. Hubs basically connected two or more computers to each other and allows for the communication. Now fourth one is bridges. Bridges is basically used to connect two different types of devices, like it connect two different hubs and allow for the communication. Bridges convert the network data format and perform basic data transmission management. Bridges provide a connection between LANs. When we are seeing various types of LAN, they are in different areas, so we can just allow to connect through the bridge. Now switches. Switches is also a very intelligent device as compared to hub because it take a decision. It has a permission that it can send the important and authorized data to the authorized person. But hub is not only the intelligent device because it sends the all data to the every person. That means there is no security is achieved. That's why we can say switch is more intelligent than hub. Now this is the gateway. In gateway we can see when there are two or more servers in different types of LAN, we can connect these server to the gateway, and gateway allows to communicate these two servers to communicate to each other. They can share resources, they can communicate to each other. A gateway is a piece of networking hardware used in telecommunications for telecommunication network that allows data to flow from one discrete network to another. A gateway are distinct from routers or switches in that they communicate using more than one protocol to connect a bunch of network, because router and switches they can also be used for the communication, but gateway used for different types of server connection. Now, at the last, firewall. Firewall is a device which is basically connected between the internet and router devices. A firewall is a network devices or software for controlling network security and access tools. And firewall are inserted in connection between secure internal networks and potentially insecure external networks such as the internet. Firewall are typically configured to reject access requests from the recognized resources while allow access from the recognized one. That means if there are some network traffic and unauthorized person, they can protect from these unauthorized access टू आवर कंप्यूटर. जब भी हम फायरवॉल का यूज़ करते हैं हमारे इंटरनेट और राउटर्स के बीच में, तो ये हमें एक अलग से सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है ताकि हम जो भी हमारा अनऑथराइज्ड नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक होता है और जो एक्सेस होते हैं तो उनसे हमें हमारे सिस्टम को प्रिवेंट करता है. इसलिए हम हमारे सिस्टम जब भी हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं, असेंबल कराते हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम फायरवॉल यूज़ करते हैं. Now, the firewall are inserted in connection between secure internal networks and potentially insecure external network. That means we can use for between the routers and other network. Firewall are typically configured to reject access requests from the recognized sources while allowing action from recognized ones. And the vital role firewall play in network security grow in parallel. So we can say the networking devices are perform very important role for preventing the unauthorized access. So we generally use these things to end our data. Now, thank you so much.